So another question that I get quite often on my channel is, how do you actually use the mirror to retie the back or to see the back of your hair? So if you don't know already, this is what I use for my reties, and it's pretty much just a 3-part mirror that you essentially hang on the back of the door. In order for this mirror to be effective when it comes to seeing the back of your hair, you do have to have another mirror. So I use my vanity mirror that's in the bathroom, and I'm just going to show you how I set it up so that I can see the front and I can also see the back. So like I said, you do have to have a vanity or some other sort of mirror that you can see through. Okay, so having this is technically step 1, and then this mirror is step 2. So I'm gonna show y'all how I set the mirror up, set the door mirror up so that I can see the back of my hair fully and clearly. You're not in the routine. So right here, you'll just see me pretending to be retying my hair for the video purposes. In a second, you'll see the exact view that I use to see the back of my hair. And essentially, I'm looking through the door mirror to the vanity mirror in the bathroom. Like here, you can see this is the view that I see when I look through the door mirror. Okay, so you can see that I can see the back of my head pretty clearly. And this is really what helps me when I'm doing my reties, especially in the back of my head. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, leave a thumbs up down below. Comment any other questions that you have about anything pertaining to your locks life, anything that you want to know, and I'll be sure to leave an answer as best as I can. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next